Oh, Dr. Romano, thank goodness you're always hard at work. What's going on
Hi,
here?
how are you? I want to do an organic chemistry sequence question for the DAT group. I'm going to do an A, B, C, D, and I'm going to ask you to find the name. So for the kids that really want to do this without seeing the answer first, you might want to stop the clip and see if you can fill in all the different products after each step. Now, the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to see what product comes after each step. What I'm going to do in the first step is I'm going to irradiate the molecule with bromine and light. And then in step A to B, I'm going to do an E2 reaction with a very large, powerful, bulky base. That's potassium T-butoxide. From B to C, I'm going to do the hydroboration reaction, where I'm going to be adding water antimakovnikov. From C to D, I'm going to simply be adding an iodine and replacing an OH group. And then I'm going to finish up where I'm going to carbonate the Grignard, and then I'm going to name this bad boy. Okay, let's do it. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to abstract the tertiary hydrogen. And therefore, I would get this for my letter A. So letter A, we would put the bromine in this position. Now, I'm going to do an elimination, but I'm going to do a Hofmann elimination where I get the less substituted alkene. So letter B would put the double bond to the outside. B to C, I'm going to add my water antimakovnikov. That puts the OH to the outside. From C to D, that's pretty easy. I love using PI3. You never have to worry about any shifting or anything of that sort of rearrangements. Once I do that, I'm going to make the Grignard, carbonate it, and then work up. And that would simply put on a COOH group for my target. Now, to finally name it, we're going to go to the functionality, which is the COOH group. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to name this as 3-methyl-pentanoic acid. And there you have it. That would represent probably the longest type of question you would see on the DAT. Some people might call it overkill, but not overkill at all. You need to know these fundamentals and foundation. Be prepared to do a sequence of at least 3-4 steps. Here I went a little bit beyond that. Hopefully that gives you a great idea what's going on. So
it does, Dr. Romano, because I want that 30. I've told you before, I'm going to study really hard. So this will get me a 30, I'm sure.
Well, last summer we had about 50% of my group who had 30 in the Orgo section. So hopefully for those of you who can make my group, this gives you a great opportunity to possibly get that 30. Okay, I will say goodbye to you.
Okay, Dr.
Have a good
Romano,
day.
thank you. Can I bring you some lunch? Goodbye, Dr. Romano. Good day to you, sir.